How to use Eero with AT&T BGW320. Now you should be able to do this setup directly in the Eero app. So it should tell you step-by-step instructions on what to do once you have the Eero device connected to your AT&T. So beforehand, it's much better to just go ahead and connect your AT&T to your Eero using an Ethernet cable. So just go ahead and get yourself something like this, which is an Ethernet cable. Plug it in one of these yellow or Ethernet ports, and then for the Eero, you can just go ahead and plug in one side or one end of the wire over either of these. So either side of the wire is pretty much the same, so you can plug it in to whichever end of the wire. So just go ahead to your phone or any kind of device that can download this app and go into the Play Store and just get yourself the Eero security system app. So search for Eero. It should just give you the main app. You're gonna go ahead and install this, and then you're gonna open it up. Over here in Eero, you should be able to add your Eero device once you have logged in. And if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and create one. You can go ahead and use an email that you have, and then your number as well. So just go ahead and choose whichever Eero device or Eero mesh you're using, and then you'll be able to see a specific step-by-step instruction on how to connect that Eero device to the AT&T BGW320. But that's pretty much how you do this process, so hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.